Hello everyone, I'm Dishan and welcome you all to my channel Design Automation. Here we simplify SolidWorks automation and make your designing faster, easier and smarter. So in this video we are going to create cylindrical body using SolidWorks VBA and ChatGPT. So let's tell GPT to create some SolidWorks macro for us. Let's ask please write SolidWorks macro that will do following stuff. In bracket, I want to see the first, I have already opened part project. Second, create circle on top plane with center 0,0 and radius 100 mm. Create both extrude of 350 mm. That's it. So you can see GPT have started writing the macro and we have create a macro, but what I'm seeing right here is he has not give any room to change the variables like radius or center. So let's start. Please use variable where possible so that I can modify my cylinder. You know, the best way of create any kind of procedure or function is to use variable. So if we are using variable, then it is easy to manipulate our own coding. Yeah, it's completed. So let's copy this, create our new macro. Remove all the stuff and paste the macro. Let's go line by line. So we just missed to create new part file. So let's create new part file first. So we now have our own part file open. So very first, let's press F8 and start our debugging. First, we are assigning value of 100 to the radius mm and extrude boss to the 350 mm. So you mentioned that it's mm. The variable defines radius is the double and mm is the unit of the variable. So it's better stuff to create assign that you can have your own variable defined, but we used to prefer something like that so that we can know what is the input. The thing is, in the SolidWorks, it takes value as in a meter unit. So we cannot add mm. If we add mm like 100 mm, then it will create a cylinder of 100 meters. So it's very big. So here we are defining SolidWorks applications to the SWF, then defining SolidWorks model. So model is already open. If it is not open, then it have written the one error handler over here. Another error handler is the open file document is the part document. If it is other than part document, then it will exit the support. So we are assigning feature manager, we are assigning sketch manager, and first we have selected top plane. Just missed to select the top plane because the name of the plane is your top and the written in the code is top plane. So fail to select top plane. Let's change this name to the top only because it's not top plane, it's TOP only. I just hit I just add the breakpoint over here and run the whole code again. So you can see the use of breakpoint is what it is used to debugging the code. We don't need to go all the code line by line again because we have already understood what each line means, and we got the error over here. So I just put the breakpoint so your code will stop here. Let's see what happened. So it is able to select the plane now. Then we are inserting the sketch, right? Then inserting the circle. The radius is given here. You can also have your own. You can also have your own center point. If you want to change your center point, you can define the variables for the center point and put it over here. Sketch insert is complete. Now we are creating boss extrude, and congratulations, we have just created a cylindrical body using macro. So just tweak your own code over here. You can change the radius, you can change the extrude boss length and center as well. So if you want to learn more about SolidWorks API, just let me know. Just comment in below section and we'll connect. Thank you.